What's up guys, Julian here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going off. Today we're going to talk about all the design trends that I hate. These are things that you will never ever see me do. These are things that I need you to stop. Stop doing these. Like, stop doing these right now. Here are 5 design trends that you will never see me do. So, without further ado, here are 5 trends that you will never see me do. So, trend number 1 is excess plants. Have you ever walked into a person's home and there are more plants than there are fingers on your hands? Like, there are way too many plants to count. Like, I don't see the point of that. Like, I know that there are people who really love their plants, but there comes a time when it becomes a little too much. If you can't remember all the names of your plants, then you have way too many plants. I'm gonna show you guys this lady here.
I think my friends and strangers alike, like, they come into my house and they don't even say anything at first.
Yeah, because they're shocked because you have way too many plants.
Hey there, welcome to my apartment.
This is Summer, an environmentalist, model and author who has over 500 plants in her Brooklyn apartment.
So when people come into the house, I like this element of feeling like they're walking through a forest.
This is a very extreme case, but like, you will not see me with all these hanging plants from the ceiling, plant over this corner, plant over that corner, plant near the nightstand, plants in the bathroom. Like, let's keep it to 2 plants per room, like 3 tops. We don't need all the excess plants. Okay, nobody likes it. We don't do that here. Okay, get rid of the excess plants and save on some money. Let's go to the next one. Next is an all-white room. Now, all-white rooms were a big trend. Sorry, I'm gonna eat this because I'm hungry. They were a big trend in like 2019 and 2020, but I'm not feeling the all-white room. I think it works if you add texture to it, but it's just not practical. Like, nobody who lives there. That's what I want to know. Who lives there? Do you not have any toddlers who live there? Do you not have pets that live there? Do you live there? I mean, if everything is white, how do you live in the space? I feel like homes that are designed in all white are not very inviting, and again, they're not practical. And the all white reminds me of an insane asylum.
Oh my god.
All white is out, and pastels and rich patterns and textures coming in. So you want to add those pops to your space. All white is really boring. Add some color, add some life to your space. It makes it warm, welcoming, and pretty to look at. Okay, the next design trend that you will never ever see me do is when people turn their books outward. So why don't I actually get something to show you guys? 1 second. This book, Animal, I just bought it. I really like the author and I really enjoyed her last book, Lisa Tato, I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna call her Lisa T for the sake of this video. Anyway, you will never see me put my books in a bookshelf this way. A lot of people are doing that because it looks nice, but it's not practical. What are you gonna go and like take every single book out?
That don't make no sense.
Like, how can you know what book is which? Who came up with that? That's what I want to know. I want to know who came up with that. Like, I get it, it looks pretty, but it's dumb.
You're not stupid, Karen. No, I am actually.
So stop doing it. Next. Okay guys, you've made it this far. Your feelings aren't hurt. I really appreciate it. The number 4 thing that you will never see me do is get a fake plant. I'm just not a fan of fake plants because I have yet to see one that looks real. If you can find one that looks real, please put it in the comments and let me know, but I have never seen a fake plant that looks real, ever. There are lots of real plants that you can get that are easy to take care of and you don't have to worry about getting a fake plant. One is a snake plant. Another one is a cactus. Cactuses are so cacti? Or is it cactus? They're so easy to take care of. I'll list a few others here. But I always recommend that instead of a fake plant, or just get yourself some nice fresh flowers and rotate those in and out every week to add some freshness to your space. And lastly, number 5, under no circumstance will you ever see me use a lava lamp or a disco ball in my designs. I don't see the point of them. I don't see what's alluring about them. I think they need to stay in the 70s. I do see how an eclectic designer or an eclectic stylish person would like to use it. I can't think of any other scenario other than like a skating ring where I would use a disco ball. So just please throw them away. Don't use a lava lamp. Lava lamps seriously remind me of like a college dorm. And futons. You'll never see me use a futon under any circumstance. College dorm. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I don't ever want to see any of these things in your house. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I know it was more of a negative one, but hopefully it brings some more positivity to your space. Thanks so much and I'll see you next week. Peace out.